Fabless Semicon companies need their manufacturing applications to support lot-based manufacturing, with the ability to view complete lot genealogy through their extended supply chain. As part of a digital transformation initiative, most organizations are looking for Oracle Cloud migrations. However, the fabless Semicon industry realizes there's a solution gap, as there is no product roadmap for lot-based manufacturing in Oracle Cloud. Our JSFM is a unique solution for the Semicon industry that enables lot-based manufacturing using Oracle Cloud. Most cloud applications lack integrated, efficient, and digital lot-based manufacturing. However, the JSFM solution fills in the cloud application gaps. Jade, a leading Oracle Platinum partner and Cloud Select partner, has crafted a unique solution that fits well with the Semicon industry. Semicon manufacturers can now implement Jade's lot-based manufacturing solution with Oracle Cloud SaaS, NetSuite, and Semicon B2B reporting solutions for automated real-time transaction processing. How can we engage? 2-day free rapid assessment of OSFM to cloud and roadmap presentation. Along with this, get a free JSFM solution demo. A 1 to 2 week comprehensive assessment of current supply chain footprint, including B2B integrations. Also get a free JSFM solution demo. 4-week rapid discovery and design and POC enablement for net new cloud implementations. Connect with Jade's Oracle team now and start your Jade shop floor management journey today.